This video is intended to help you as you begin your decision-making process for choosing a major and ultimately a career path. The goal is that you feel informed when considering major options, specifically accounting.
As you can see from the screen, the job prospects for accounting majors is relatively high. You can see there will be a 15.7% growth between 2010 and 2020, as well as almost 200,000 new accounting jobs. You can also note the unemployment rate is significantly lower than that of the overall unemployment rate here in the United States. We have also been ranked number 3 in the U.S. News and World Report for best business jobs.
There are two main routes typically taken out of college. These two options are public accounting and private industry. Public accounting usually means working for a number of different clients, often traveling to their client locations. Some services that are provided are audit, tax, and consulting. The highest position for public accounting is usually partner of a firm. On the other hand, private industry means you work for one company or organization, and your travel will vary depending on the work. Some of the top positions for private industry are CFO, controller, or even president.
There are benefits and drawbacks to public and private accounting. The benefits of public accounting are being able to develop a broad range of skills directly out of college, easily obtain your CPA license through firms' expenses, and have interactions with top levels of management early in your career, although you will have longer hours and higher levels of turnover in the firm. On the other hand, private accounting will have specific industry focus and shorter hours, although you may have a narrower range of skills.
There are a number of different size accounting firms that are all interested in hiring recent accounting graduates like you. Starting with the largest, the Big Four, the four largest international accounting firms in the world. The Big Four consist of PricewaterhouseCoopers, or PwC, Deloitte, KPMG, and Ernst & Young. We also have a number of international firms, including Grant Thornton, BDO Seidman, and McGladrey. There are also a number of regional firms if you hope to stay in the South Carolina or Southeast area. Some of these firms are Dixon Hughes Goodman, Elliott Davis, and Burkett, Burkett & Burkett.
There are many different private industry opportunities depending on your interests. Some of these industries include healthcare, not-for-profit, and IT. Typically, you could be a cost accountant or an internal auditor in industry.
The progression in public accounting usually follows these steps. First, you'll begin at the associate level, which is where you will develop a base knowledge and usually stay for about 2 years. Then you may become a senior associate, where you develop specific industry skills and begin the process of supervising. Once you reach manager level after at least 5 years, you'll be in the manager position and watch the overall project develop. And finally, usually after at least 10 years, you may have the opportunity to become the partner, who holds the executive decision-making power for the entire firm.
One side of public accounting is assurance and business advisory. Here is where you will audit companies' financial statements, investigate fraud with the FBI or other agency, help companies develop new business risk strategies, or even consult for other business ventures. Typically, if you are interested in these opportunities, you should pursue the audit path during your undergrad and grad school.
Tax is the other common route throughout undergrad for you to consider. This is where you can work on state and local taxes, corporate taxes, family wealth planning, individual services, and even some valuation services.
Here are just a few of the many certifications available to accounting majors. Two of the most important designations for advancing in your career are Certified Public Accountant and Certified Management Accountant. These two have very difficult standards and qualifications but lead to great opportunities. You should also note the Masters in Accountancy certification, as USC offers an excellent one-year program to get the certification level.
Here are some average starting salaries for business degrees. Not only does accounting offer top job stability and opportunities directly out of college, but also offers a highly competitive starting salary, not including benefits.
As mentioned previously, becoming a CPA is a necessity if you hope to go into any role in public accounting. It is important to note that you must obtain 150 hours, graduate with a degree, Pass all 4 sections of the exam, and complete the required amount of work experience depending on your state. Another incentive to pass the CPA exam is receiving a bonus of up to $5,000 from your firm.
As recruiting season is already underway, it is important to know what firms are looking for. You need to have a strong all-around resume. That means having a strong GPA, involved in activities, taking leadership positions, and always being personable. Remember that USC Accounting Department makes it possible to double major or pursue cognates in other subjects to assist in your academic development and knowledge base.
If this is something you think you may be interested in, you should begin getting involved now. Recruiters take the time to get to know you at events like leadership conferences and case competitions when you may be only a freshman or sophomore, in hopes of giving you a well-paid internship or job offer in the future. We currently have over 10 different firm leadership conferences available to USC students, so if you want to get involved, you can. You can also get involved around campus with Institute for Management Accountants, National Association of Black Accountants, or Beta Alpha Psi, which is the accounting society here on campus. These groups will give you special access to firm socials where you'll be able to network with countless firm recruiters both for the Columbia area and far beyond. If you're unsure where to start, look on JobMate for opportunities like leadership conferences, paid internships, and case competitions. You can also visit the Beta Alpha Psi office or the accounting department, and any of the professors will be willing to give you more information.